Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I like to give a basic definition of what AC is. AC is an acronym meaning alternating current, because of the fact the voltage and current alternate polarity back and forth, instead of following one specific direction like in a traditional circuit. The schematic for an alternating current generator looks like this, and it has a sine wave drawn in it as a reference to how the current fluctuates back and forth. Just like DC is generally generated by either static electricity or through batteries, AC is generally generated by rotating a magnet, as shown in this diagram, around two other magnets, so that it induces a current in the other magnets. And in order to fit the name of alternating current, a machine that produces AC in this way is called an alternator, or sometimes in everyday contexts you will hear it called a generator as well, but alternator is a technical word for it. Because of how induction requires a changing magnetic field, or a changing current, inductors and transformers work better with AC versus DC, as we will see when we investigate inductors and transformer problems in AC, and things like radio circuitry or motors. One last thing to note before we delve into specific circuits involving AC is that, just like the waveform of DC would look like this, as a reference to how it has a steady level of voltage, a waveform of AC would look like this, because of how the voltage constantly changes back and forth in a smooth, constant manner, because of how induction works. In my next tutorial video, I like to explain how to analyze the simplest AC circuits, which involve only resistors and a source, exactly like how the simplest DC circuits involve only resistors and a source. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.